What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got a review of the OtterBox Defender for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The OtterBox Defender case aims to protect your S9 Plus, and with its solid polycarbonate inner shell and synthetic rubber slipcover, this supposedly should give your device multiple layers of protection against drops. The OtterBox Defender comes in 3 different colors: Purple Nebula, which is what I have today and features a purple/pink design. Other color options include Big Sur, an aqua blue/cream white design, and the third option is a black design, something I probably would have preferred to have as my main choice of options. Taking a look inside the box, you'll find the case itself within a belt clip/holster, which also has a strong plastic design and keeps your S9 Plus firmly in place. With this belt clip/holster, you can rotate your phone 360 degrees within it. But my only wish with this is that you could also use it as a phone stand, something that they may want to improve in the future. Moving on, beneath the case we have some informational material to help us get started. Let's now install the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus into the OtterBox Defender case. First, we'll remove the synthetic rubber slip cover. You can do this by pulling the port edges from the bottom out of the inner shell. Next, we'll split the inner shell into 2 pieces. Start with separating the bottom and top edges, moving to the right of the case, and safely snap out the top part of the case. Let's now install the S9 Plus into the bottom part of the inner shell, and just like separating the inner shell, start from the bottom to the top and align the edges of the case so that they click together. Ensure all of the edges are snapped into place. Now start from the top of the synthetic rubber slipcover, insert the inner shell and fold the slipcover over the edges for a snug fit. Alright, let's talk about what I like about the OtterBox Defender. First up is in its design. I like the fact that the inner shell has a soft back to keep your phone free from scratches or imprints that sometimes appear from using a case with your phone. The other thing I like is its screenless design. The top part of the case provides some needed lip protection for your phone screen, and this means that your phone's display never touches a surface of something like a table. I also like the fact that the slip cover of the case features this rugged anti-slip synthetic material, which means that I don't have to worry about my phone slipping on a table either on its front or back, like I did with the LifeProof Slam and the LifeProof Next. So what didn't I like about the OtterBox Defender? As you'd expect, you have access to all of the ports, but again, I'm not a big fan of having to open up the port covers. I get that it protects your phone ports, which is great, but it's something that can become annoying if you regularly charge your phone or plug headphones in. You can of course cut these off at your own discretion. Something that you may also be wondering about is, does the OtterBox Defender support wireless charging? And to an extent, yes it does. If you're like me, you are using the Samsung wireless fast charger, and you'll find that you can only charge your phone with this case on its flat surface. I tried to use it having the phone with the case standing up and on its side, but it doesn't make contact with the charging pad, unfortunately. Disappointing considering OtterBox state on the front of the box that it's designed for Samsung. While I do like the rugged material of the slipcover and its anti-slip design, I do find that it can be a little uncomfortable to hold and use my phone. So to summarize my thoughts on the OtterBox Defender for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, I think that this case should do an exceptional job of protecting your device, and it gave me peace of mind knowing that my phone is protected against drops, and while it does add a little more heft to the overall weight, it's not excessively bulky unless you use the belt clip/holster. But that's going to wrap it up for this review. A special thanks to OtterBox for providing the Defender case for this review. Please note, all the opinions in this video are my own. Nobody is paying me to do this review, and nobody saw the video before it was published. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech reviews. I upload a video each week. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.